Guess the words. Do you know them? The first one is very tired. The first letter is the word. Weak? No. It is, what's the pronunciation? Weary, not very. Weary. Yes, very tired. Weary. Yes. I am weary after a long journey. Rest your weary legs. Note down the usage. Rest your weary legs. Or I am weary after a long journey. I am weary after a long journey. The second one is not bold or courageous. Not courageous. Timid. The first letter is, yes, he is right. Timid is the word. Timid. He is a timid boy. Example. He is a timid boy. The third one, a person who doesn't express his thoughts or feelings. The first letter is Ah. You know the word. The second letter is E. The third letter is yes. Reserved. 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 She is a reserved woman. A reserved woman. She is a reserved woman. A stage on which people stand, this one. The pronunciation is wrong. The word is correct. D-A-I-S. Dais. What is it? Dais, not dias. Dais. A raised platform like this is dais. The last one is a stand for a book or computer used by a speaker. In British model, lectern. Lectern. In British English, it is called lectern. In American English, it is podium. Podium.
Sir, can we use podium also? Can we use podium?
Yes, it is commonly used. Podium is commonly used and less is used. Lectern is not so commonly used these days because we don't know. So, any doubt?